also got this. Hello, Super Family Fun Time. Today I'm going to be unboxing an XShot skins double pack, and we did not get sponsored, unfortunately. And let's open. Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm surprised two could fit in here. We got Bite Me one. And we got this one. Super cool. And also the bullets. The insane amount of bullets. I also got this. A cool Game Over. Big one. So I prefer XShot better because to me they shoot farther and faster than all the other ones I have, Nerf guns. And they're just really cool designs. Like you could get so many different designs. You could get Game Over for it. It also has these air pockets. It has these air pockets so you can put your Nerf bullet in. I just noticed how thick this is. It's unbelievably thick. Okay. So right now I'm just reloading. And I really like this Bite Me one. Super cool. It's basically the beast mode, but like a shark almost looking. Are you gonna ask me questions, Mommy?
What's your favorite?
You mean the design?
Yes.
Of these pistols? I'd say the Bite Me. I really like the Bite Me. I mean, look at it. It's epic. And then beast mode. Okay, I'm just gonna shoot one, maybe. I need a target. Oh, I see a target. I'm just kidding, I know. Okay. What should I shoot?
Oh.
Cool! That is cool. 6 right here, 6 right here, 6. And I'm pretty sure that one can hold 12 or 16. I'm not sure. But I would really prefer XShot over lots of other weapons. Let's see how it shoots. Oh wow, that one fell. Like I said, get XShot. XShot better. Choose XShot. Hello, Super.